Hey, what is up guys? John from Magic Tech Review, and in today's video we're going to go ahead and talk about the Samsung Galaxy S8 being half off when you port in. I want to give a special mini shout out here to William from Messenger. Thank you, William, for doing this for me, man, and for sending me this information. I thought I was dreaming. I literally just woke up my eyes or rubbed my eyes and I was like, whoa, what is going on, man? So this is what William actually sent me. Go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoy my content. Go ahead and subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech Review family. And yeah, comment down below what you guys think about this half off Samsung Galaxy S8 from Cricket Wireless. What? Am I dreaming? Pinch me, because I think I'm dreaming. But anyways, so here, if you go to cricketwireless.com, I literally thought I was dreaming, or I thought it was like, nah, this is probably just some like off thing or whatever. But no, it's your world, pick a Galaxy. It says Samsung Galaxy S8 50% off when you switch. And literally, that's all you really have to do. It's online, I believe. I don't think it's in store. And it says add a matching data plan starting at $30 a month, required service activation fee in store up to $25 with qualified port-in, minimum $30 a month, first month service charge and applicable sales tax included, and that's about it. So it's not really like that terrible. I thought it was something that was going to be like, you know what I'm saying? So we actually going on the website here. This is the actual website of cricketwireless.com. So if you guys have wanted a Galaxy S8, I think right now would be a great time to pick your Galaxy S8 off. And it's 50% off, guys. So yeah, you know what I'm saying? Not like being a Cricket fanboy or whatever, but just look, man. Just literally look. So you can see right here. So 50% off ends 3/29/2018. So they're giving you guys some time as well. January, February, March. So that's March 29th. They're giving you until. Require service activation fee in store up to $25 per line with qualified plan, minimum $30 port in and new service line. First month service charge and applicable sales tax due at sale. Excludes AT&T ports. Online only, it says right there. May not be compatible or combinable with certain offers, discounts, and credits. Phone may be restricted to Cricket service during first 6 months after activation. By activating using service, you agree to the terms and conditions. Service good for 30 days and is subject to Cricket network management policies. See cricketwireless.mobile/mobile broadband for details. Return fee. But yeah, I mean, I don't see anything wrong with this, guys, and this is a great offer. I think they're really hitting back with this, man. Guys, let me know if there's any other carrier right now that's giving half off of Samsung Galaxy S8. But I think this is like the deal right now. And like I said, guys, let me know. Maybe I just woke up and maybe I'm dreaming, or maybe my eyes, maybe my eyes deceive me. But it's literally right here on cricketwireless.com, and you know what I'm saying, I'm like amazed right now. You know what I'm saying? If I really was that big into Samsung Galaxy S8, I would probably get it. And I'm sure a lot of you guys are probably gonna snap this up right now. You know what I'm saying? If you've been looking for a reason to switch to Cricket Wireless and you really haven't been, maybe you don't want to get a ZTE or Alcatel or a free phone, you really are a flagship type looking person or whatever, I think this is a good way to go. So yeah, guys, this is amazing. I mean, they have other port-in deals and stuff like that, but that's like, I forget exactly how much you're getting off, but let me actually look at this one right here. Let me see here. Does it say or whatever? Okay, so basically, Samsung Galaxy S8 right now is $700. So when you switch, it's $350, guys. $350 for Samsung Galaxy S8. I think is pretty cool. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you want to go ahead and get this. And yeah, all right, guys, well, go ahead and don't forget to leave that like I said, and thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate your view, and hopefully you guys have a good one and see what's up. Peace out, guys. Thanks for watching.